Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, we're going to be installing these little bits that I got from Premium Auto Styling, and one of which is the WRX fender letter inlay, and I got this one in bronze. I'm going to show you guys here. So this piece goes on the fender badge right here. I got the bronze one to match my wheels, and I think they did a good job matching it. It's pretty spot on in terms of shine, color, and all that stuff. So I'm really excited to get these put on. And these are just some aftermarket badges. I don't remember where I got them from. And the other thing that we got is the Biohex smoke taillight insert overlay, and I'm reading it from my phone as I speak. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like here. So this is what it looks like. And it just covers that little part right there. I thought this one was pretty unique, so I decided to pick one up. And this is my first ever purchase from Premium Auto Styling, and I usually just get the stuff like this from eBay or Amazon and whatnot, but man, this is really packaged well, and it's honestly like good quality stuff. That's probably why they cost a little more than the other ones, but yeah, I'm really impressed with the packaging. So before we get those things applied, we gotta wash the car. It's been a few weeks since I washed it, and it is looking really dirty right now. So I'm not gonna do a full car wash, no scrubbing or anything like that. I'm just gonna get the power washer, spray it down, use a microfiber cloth to dry it with some detailer spray. But yeah, the car is super dirty, and I don't want to put anything on this without cleaning it first. And this one's actually from eBay. I just got the outline right here so you can still see the LED reverse light, but we're gonna change that today. So like I said, this will be just a quick car wash. I'm not gonna scrub anything down, no double bucket method. Finished up the car wash. That was pretty quick. We're gonna go ahead and slap these on, and you don't need any water for this. It's just a sticker. So finished applying it. Kind of messed up right there, but they give you 3 sets, so I can just redo the X right here, but it doesn't look too bad, and it really matches the bronze method wheels that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side and then get started on the taillights. Alright, so I just finished the lettering on both sides. Now we are gonna do the taillight overlays. You just need a squeegee, have the one with felt on the other side, and just some water to spray. Look at that. That looks really good. Let's go ahead and get it installed. Alright, so what I did for this one is I made sure that the vinyl lined up against this edge right here, as well as the bottom, and then I simply just stuck it on there, squeegeed the water out, and then I heated it up. Just make sure you align it on the sides, and then squeegee the vinyl into the crease, and then you should be good to go. This looks sick. I was always curious on what this material looked like, and it's actually really thick vinyl, not like the cheap ones. And this is pretty easy. You just got to be really patient with the sides, and then you can remove it and slap it on there as much as you need in order to get that correct fitment. Took my light out. You can see the honeycomb shape. Man, that thing is sick. And then once you shine the light on there, kind of changes color. Yeah, I like it so far. Alright guys, I just finished installing both the taillight overlay as well as the fender badge inlay. And this took me a little longer than I wanted just because I wanted to get all the spots and stuff like that as perfect as I could. There's still little spots here and there that are not perfect, but you can't tell once you get like a foot away from it. So I really do like the fact that they match the bronze on my Method wheels, and I think it just gives the car a fresher look. If I back up a little bit, you can just see the WRX badge pop out a little more. And as far as the taillight overlay, if you're standing right here, you can't really tell that it has those hex shapes on there, but once you get this close, you can tell. And it's all in the details. I like that a lot. It's really surprising how these subtle changes can change the entire appearance of the car. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the box below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.